Hi, my name is Guadalupe Gracia. I come from Mexico. The name of the cow in my language is vaca.
Hello, my name is Chikuta. I'm from Congo Democratic. My country we call the cow mbuzi.
Hi, my name is Aparna Sengupta. I am Bengali. In my language, we say cow as goru.
Hi, my name is Carmen. I am from Mexico. In my country, the cows say vaca.
Okay, the cow in my language is Louis.
My name is Sarah. I am from Ethiopia. My language cow means lamb.
My name is Purnima. I am from India, and in the Kannada language, we call the cow as hasu.
All right, my name is Emmanuel and I'm from Ghana, West Africa. And in my language, which is the Fanti language, we call cow Nenki.
Hi, I'm Leah. I'm from Kerala. My language is Malayalam. In my language, we call cow as Pashu.
My name is Hala. I'm from Sudan. We call cow Bakara.
Hi, my name is Aga. I come from Eritrea. I speak Tigrinya. My country cow names is Lahmi.
Hi, my name is Guadalupe Gracia. I come from Mexico. The sound the cow makes in my language is moo.
Hi, my name is Aparna. I am from India. My language is Bengali. In my language, cow says as hamba.
Hi, my name is Carmen. I am from Mexico. In my country, the sound for cow is moo.
Hi, my name is Chikuta. My country we call the cow mbuzi, and the sound of the mbuzi is meh.
Hi, my name is Latamla Kabukai. I am from Eritrea. In my country, cow sound is like ba.
Hi, my name is Purnima. I am from India, and in the Kannada language, the sound that the cow makes is amba.
And I'm coming from Bosnia, and on my language, cows say moo.
Sarah, I am from Ethiopia. The cow sound wah.
Hello, my name is Emmanuel and from Ghana, West Africa. And I want to share with you the sound that a cow makes in my language, and it is moo.
Hi, my name is Leah. I'm from Kerala. I speak the language Malayalam, and in our language, the cow sounds as umbe.
Hello, my name is Hala. I'm from Sudan. The cow sound is boo.
Hi, my name is Aga. I come from Eritrea. My country cow sound is wah.